So in the previous class I have solved question number 3, and one video is uploaded there. You will find the question number 4 and watch it. Okay, now question number 5, exercise 13.1. A cubical box has a edge 10 centimeter and another cubical box has 12.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. So two boxes are there. First box, cubical box. Cubical box means all the edges are same, or the length of all the sides edges are same, and all the surfaces are square. So that is cubical box. Okay, and another is cuboidal box. Cuboidal means surface is rectangular. Okay, and length is 12.5 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, and height is 8 centimeter. And in the cubical box, its edges are 10 centimeter. Okay, so in the first question, which box has the greater lateral surface area? First of all, in case of LSA of cubical box, that is LSA, that formula of LSA, that is 4a square. Yes, Onnesa, that is 4a square. So 4 into a square means, so that is 400. And LSA of cuboidal, box, the LSA formula is, that is 2 into L plus B into H. 2 into L plus B into H. 400 centimeter, yes, 400 centimeter square. And that is 2 into L plus B. It means 12.5 plus 10 into H. H means 8. So 2 into 8, 16. 16 into 22.5. 16 into 22.5. Okay. So that will be 22.5 into 16. And 360 centimeter square. Now between cubical box and cuboidal box, which has a larger surface area, larger lateral surface area? Obviously cubical box has larger surface area. And by how much surface area has cubical box are more than cuboidal box? That is 400 minus 360. So 40 centimeter square more surface area have a cubical box. Okay, got it everyone? Yes, 40 centimeter. And the second question, second part, that is that total surface area. First of all, what is the total surface area? What is the total surface area of cube and cuboid? Total surface area of cube, can you tell me what is the total surface area of cube? Total surface area of cube, that is 6a square. And total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, now TSA of the box, of the cubical box, that is 6 into a square. A means side, measure of the side. A means measure of the side. Here a equal to 10 centimeter. So 6 into 600 centimeter square, and TSA of the cuboidal box, okay, cuboidal box, that formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus L into H, okay, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Sir, total surface area of cubes, okay, okay Sangam. So 2 into L into B, it means 10 into 12.5. What will be the answer? Tell me. 10 into 12.5, that must be 125. BH, B into H, 10 into 8, that is 80. And LH, 12.5 into 8, 12.5 into 8, what will be the answer? Tell me quickly. I hope so. That will be 100. Yes. So 100. So 125 plus 80 plus 100, that is 225 plus 80. I think 305. So that is 305. That is 710 centimeter square. 710 centimeter square. Now, between cuboidal box and cubical box, which has a larger surface area, that is obviously total surface area of cuboidal box. Cuboidal box has 305. Yes, 600. Sorry. 610 centimeter square. 610 centimeter square. 2 into 0.30 into 5. That is, so cuboidal box has larger total surface area, and how much? That is 610 minus 600, that is 10. Okay, by 10 centimeter square, the cuboidal box has 610 minus 600, that equal to 10 centimeter square more surface area. Got it, everyone? I have find that total surface area of cubical box. Cubical box means all the edges are equal and all the faces are square. That's why it has a 6 edges. So one surface area of one surface, that is a square. 6 faces is 6a square. And in case of total surface area of cuboidal box, we know the formula. That is 2 into LB plus BH into LH. L into B, that is 10 into 12.5, 125. B into H, 10 into 8, that is 80. And L into 12.5 into 8, that is 100. So by calculation, we get that is 610 centimeter square. In case of total surface area, cuboidal box has more surface area than cubical box by 10 centimeter square. Okay, students. So I have solved question, though time is over. Okay, so only question number 5 I have solved here. Okay, and students, that video will be uploaded. Question number 6 and 7, listen it carefully. Today question number 6 and 7 also be uploaded. Watch it. Okay, 6, 7, 8 also uploaded. 6, 7, 8, 3 sums are left in this exercise. 3 sums will be uploaded in your YouTube channel. Watch it. Next day I will start 13.2. Okay, any problem, any confusion, tell me.